The following segment is sponsored by BandAid brand. Families will soon prepare to go back to school, and that includes being ready for unexpected bumps, cuts, and scrapes. Joining us is MommyTalkShow.com parenting expert Joyce Brewer. She is here to kick off the BandAid brand Build Your Own First Aid Kit so families are prepared for back to school. Joyce, thanks so much for being with us today.
Oh, thanks for having me, Laura.
So it is so crazy to me that the school year is just around the corner. What can parents do to prepare?
I know it's crazy because summer flew by and it's time to get ready for back to school. And every back to school season, I make sure that my first aid kit is ready to go, that it is stocked with all of the essentials that our son and his friends may need. It always includes BandAid brand products that have been a staple in our medicine cabinets when we grew up, and now we can keep them with us on the go in our first aid kits. BandAid brand is the #1 doctor recommended brand. It has the best quality bandages for the bumps and bruises that our kids are inevitably going to get.
There you go. And I feel like sometimes it's overwhelming when you start thinking about building a first aid kit. So where do we start?
Keep it super simple. Do not get overwhelmed. Start by buying Johnson & Johnson First Aid Kit, your consumer health essentials. You can find them at Target and Target.com. When you buy at least 3 qualifying Johnson & Johnson consumer health products, you'll receive a free design first aid bag from BandAid brand. These bags are stylish, they're fun, they're functional, they're colorful. They come with purchase, and they're designed to keep all of your essentials together.
Oh, they are so cute. I'm loving these tips. What are some unique products you put in your first aid kit that come in handy?
Well, our son loved his summer camp because he could swim every day this summer, and maybe your kids are on the swim team, they love water play, or maybe they just tend to get sweaty. You want to make sure that you have the BandAid brand Water Block Flex bandages. These are 100% waterproof. They're going to stay on even when wet. They're only going to come off when you want them to. They feature an ultra flexible 4-sided seal adhesive that's designed to keep the water, dirt, and germs out while your kids have them on.
There you go. So let's talk about your family first aid kit. What's in your family first aid kit?
Well, kids do not like pain. We know that. You know, if you've had a kid running towards you, they're crying, they're screaming, they're upset, they're in pain, they're uncomfortable, but we want to relieve that pain. So you can keep the BandAid brand pain relieving antiseptic wound cleansing spray handy. That's designed to clean out their injury. It's going to relieve the pain. Kids love it because it is a no sting spray. It also contains a first aid antiseptic that kills 99.9% of germs, so it's going to help prevent infection. You can also rely on the Neosporin plus pain, itch, scar antibiotic ointment. That's going to help minimize the appearance of scars. It also has itch relief, pain relief. Again, it is a no sting formula, and it provides 24-hour infection protection.
There you go. Okay, really fast. Are there any other things that you put in your first aid kit?
Yes, our son fell in love with the BandAid brand Our Tone adhesive because he found a shade that was perfect for him. Our Tone comes in 3 shades. It's designed to embrace the beauty and diversity of our skin tones, but it's also flexible and functional, so it's going to stay on. Your kids can keep it on even while they're playing. He found one that matched his skin tones, and he kept it on while he was playing basketball.
I love that. Joyce, thank you so much for being with us today. Where can we go for more information?
Well, the BandAid brand Build Your Own First Aid Kit is available only at Target and Target.com now through mid-October while supplies last.
Perfect, Joyce. I know there are parents watching this that are so grateful for all your tips. Thanks again for being with us.
You're welcome, Alora.